लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. इट सेज 8.33%. सबसे पहली चीज जो हमारे को पता होनी चाहिए इस प्रॉब्लम को लगाने के लिए कि 8.33% when this gets converted into ratio it becomes 1/12, and the value of 72 point out there 72.72, it is nothing but 9.09 into 8, right? And 9.09% की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? It is nothing but 1/11. So 72.72%, if we simplify, it becomes nothing but 8/11. And let us solve the next one, which is 28.57. Please have a look at it. 1/7 is nothing but 14.28%, right? And if 14.28% is 1/7, 2/7 becomes 28.57 or 56%. So probably we know all the values in terms of ratios. So we can simplify this. What do we have to simplify out there? The first value is 1/12, right? What is the second value? It is 8/11, and the last value out there is 2/7, and this is nothing but 462. If you simplify 462, look at it. 11, this is 42, right? So this is 6, and this is gone. This is 2, and 2 and 2 are gone. So what is that we are left with? We are left with 8. The right answer is D. Is it pretty simple, right? दो चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. वो क्या? एक तो ये पता होना चाहिए 8.33% is nothing but 1/12. Another thing that you should be knowing is 9.09%. You should be knowing that 9.09% is nothing but 1/11, and 1/7 is equal to 14.28%. If you know these things, this problem is a cakewalk, isn't it?